2023 Cadillac XT6. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It brings drivers and passengers many levels of convenience with its automatic parking, cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, panoramic roof. Adventure is calling for you. Drive it home today.